Are you ready? Well, let's get it going, my friends. Today, we will announce the winners on that gift certificate giveaway that we had in a previous video. I bet you thought we forgot. No. So, one lucky winner has been chosen, but we got quite a few entries, and a lot of you people out there got them right. So I've decided, well, I'm going to pick 3. Okay? Now, again, Mr. Announcer, this is to what?
It was for Federalist pens and paper, I believe.
Right. Yep, you believe right. Mine's a little slow there, but yeah. So, questions have been asked, how do I use this certificate? Well, you go to Federalist Pens and Papers, you see what you want, you can get in touch with Frank, and you can put that $20 gift certificate to whatever you want. And whatever the left over the cost, you pay. So let's say you buy something for $50, you pay 20 of it on there, and then you got $30 left that the buyer has to pay. So, but $20 is still $20. I think that still helps. So let's get on with the names. And the first name on the list, Mr. Announcer, is
Mr. Best Beatles Fan.
Yes, and I believe his name is Stephen, or Stan, right?
Oh, yes, Stanislav Minkowski.
Yeah, and I couldn't even pronounce Minkowski. Sounds like somebody else I know. Oh, okay. All right, then. So we picked another winner, and
That would be Bo Lou.
Bo Lou, you're a winner. So we got Stan a winner, we got Bo Lou a winner, and then we got another winner.
J3Me4.
And there you are. Those are the 3 lucky winners on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. Now, if you decide you want to pass on the gift certificate for some reason, whatever it may be, all you have to do is email, just say, Larry, pass it on to somebody else. If not, congratulations to all 3 of the winners. You guys won. So get in touch with Federalist Pens, and that's going to take care of it, right? So until our next contest, because I'm going to have a lot more with other folks, be safe, be kind to others, be kind to yourself, show some respect out there, some dignity, some pride in yourself, and hey, help your buddies out there, however you can. So peace, love, that's going to take care of it. And again, congratulations to all 3 of the winners, and don't text and drive. Later.